Are you stuck? Are your push-ups feeling like a joke? You can pump out 20, maybe 30, but that magic 100 rep goal feels impossible. Here is the cold, hard truth. Your 3 sets of 10 are garbage. It's a waste of time. You're training for volume, not for insane endurance. If you want 100 reps, you have to stop counting sets and start embracing failure. What I'm about to share is an elite-level approach that most people never figure out. It's not about doing more, it's about training smarter. It's called the progressive failure ladder, and it will completely change the way you train. The biggest mistake people make is stopping when it starts to hurt. To hit 100 push-ups, you need to push past that wall and completely exhaust your muscles using a simple 4-step progression. The idea is to move from the most demanding push-up variation you can handle all the way down to the easiest, with 0 rest in between. One continuous, brutal, rep-building effort. That's how you get from 10 to 100. Start with the hardest step. Prop your feet up on a chair or bench and perform decline push-ups until your form completely breaks down. When you can no longer get your chin to the ground, you transition immediately. Drop your feet to the floor without hesitation and grind out as many standard push-ups as your body will allow. Your arms are already burning, and that's exactly the point. Push until you have nothing left, then move on. Place your hands on an elevated surface like a chair or countertop and continue. The angle reduces the load just enough to squeeze out more reps. Keep going until you physically cannot push yourself up anymore. Finish on your knees. This final variation is the last stop on the ladder, and it's where every last bit of energy gets used up. Don't stop until your body gives out completely. That final stretch is where real progress is built. Run this entire 4-step sequence 2 to 3 times per day, 3 to 4 days per week. Stop training like it's a warm-up. Start training like you mean it.